हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं प्रियंका सिंह और आप सब देख रहे हैं अपना फेवरेट शो जिसका नाम है जी फिटनेस। दोस्तों, जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, मैं अपने इस शो में आपको बताती हूं कैसे आपको घर बैठे फिट एंड फाइन रहना है। तो एक बार फिर से मैं आप सभी को लेके आ गई हूं सेलिब्रिटी फिटनेस सेंटर में, जो कि आप सभी जानते हैं एशिया का सबसे बड़ा फिटनेस सेंटर है। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ बाउंस और पिलाटे एक्सरसाइज के बारे में। और साथ ही आपको राय दिलाऊंगी पिलाटे और बाउंस एक्सरसाइज की एक्सपर्ट जूलियाना मारिया की।
Avoid jumping from one foot to another foot. You're gonna just switch, switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. And that's how you move with one foot only. And you are not jumping, you are squeezing down. When you use both feet, then you're gonna jump, but you're gonna jump it down. So you're gonna go out and in. For example, and here, and here. Either way, you are squeezing it down instead of jumping up. Okay, switch. One and two, one
तो व्यूअर्स, अब हमारे साथ है सेलिब्रिटी फिटनेस सेंटर की जूलियाना मारिया, जो कि इंस्ट्रक्टर है बाउंस और पिलाटेस एक्सरसाइज की। तो आइए हम इनसे जानेंगे कि बाउंस और पिलाटेस एक्सरसाइज करने से क्या कुछ बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, और साथ ही जब हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होते हैं तो किस तरह की फूडिंग हमें लेनी चाहिए। वेलकम जूलियाना, वी वांट टू नो अबाउट फर्स्टली अबाउट बाउंस।
Well, bounce is a cardio exercise. We use the trampolines to do exercise. So not only the cardio exercise you're going to have there, but you're going to also work your joints in a sense that you're going to make the joints of your foot and your knee and your hips stronger. For example, if you walk on the street, especially the roads here, they are broken and have some not so straight place. If you step in a wrong stone or something like that, you can just twist your ankle and get hurt. If you use it to do the bounce class, you're gonna make this joint stronger. So instead of falling down, you're gonna twist and bring it back without hurting yourself. So you're gonna have the flexibility of this joint, but also you're gonna have strength on this joint. So you're gonna preserve the joint. You're gonna make it stronger. Your thigh is gonna go stronger also because you need to work it when you're doing the bounce. You need to bend your knee to protect the knee and to make the thigh stronger. So you're gonna get firmer muscles and stronger. With that, when you're using more than 3 joints, you are also working cardio exercise. So you're gonna have the benefit of the cardio exercise. You're gonna increase your stamina and you're gonna also keep your fat level lower. So when you eat food and you burn that food, you don't store fat. So during the cardio exercise, you burn that fat that you would store. You use that as energy. So that's what you're gonna do during the class.
तो दर्शकों, वक्त हो चला है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद भी जारी रहेगी हमारी फिट एंड फाइन रहने की क्लासेस। तो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आप सभी का जी फिटनेस में। We want to know about what is Basho Pilates.
Basho Pilates is based on Pilates. Pilates is a method of exercise that was created by Joseph Pilates by the time of the Second World War. So he started doing this exercise on the bed with the army people that were injured in the war. So they could not get out of the bed, but they need to recover to start walking again and to go back to their duties also. So what he started doing was making them exercise the muscles without getting out of the bed. So the beginning of Pilates was there. What we do is basically the mat Pilates, that is exercise on the mat, only on the floor. You'll only use your body. Plus the Bosu part, we use either this, that is the Bosu, that's the half ball, and the full ball also. Then we're gonna have another exercises in the Pilates. You can do Pilates with many different equipment. We also, we usually do the basic. We're starting with the mat Pilates. But we're gonna have other exercise. We're developing it slowly. So the benefit of Bosu Pilates, you are working your strength on your core especially, and the mobility of your joints. So you're gonna work flexibility, strength, and core training in the same exercise. When we do the Bosu Pilates, it's different from the other exercise because we control the movement. You don't kick and bring it back fast. What you need to do is you control to bring your leg up and you control to bring your leg down. With that, plus you control your breathing. So you inhale and exhale according to the movement you do. That also makes you control better your breathing, what's gonna make your lungs work better, and it's, even your breathing gonna go properly. It's somehow like you do on yoga, that you control your breathing to do everything and you feel the muscles working inside, controlling the breathing. Plus you're gonna have the benefits of the flexibility and the mobilizing your joints. So after doing the Bosu Pilates class, what you feel actually is that your spine is longer because you increase back the space you have in between every spine, every bone of your spine. Because on your spine, what you have is a pillar made of bones and discs in between these bones. What we do during the class is we stretch, so you're gonna make it up again. What happens during your day of work, sitting too much time on your office, what you're gonna do is you compress the joints. So you have bone and disc, bone and disc, bone and disc, and you keep on pressing this. Sometimes you press more one side and your disc splits to the other side. So what can happen is this disc that is in between two bones, it can release the liquid that is inside and you lose the mobility in this part of your spine. So what usually happens is you need to put some pin or something else there to make the movement that you would have before. So to avoid this kind of problem, when we do the Pilates moves, we bring back the space that you have in between your bones of your spine, so you will not injure in your disc and you're gonna feel better and longer. That's the sensation you have after finishing the class.
ओके तो व्यूअर्स एक बार फिर से हो चला है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का टाइम, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद मैं फिर से हाजिर हो रही हूँ, आप लोग कहीं मत जाइएगा। तो दर्शकों एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने शो जिसका नाम है जी फिटनेस।
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna inhale in 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Inhale, lift. Back slowly. Try not to move the mat like this. Only move your hands. Control. Yeah, you need to feel the neck sequence to get down.
what are the other benefits of doing this exercise?
Bosu Pilates.
Yeah.
Well, your benefits, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna feel relaxed, you're gonna feel tired, but also relaxed after finishing the class.
Okay.
Because it's a combination of strength exercise and flexibility, so it's stretching. So it's basically you contract the muscle, then after that you're gonna relax and stretch it again. So what's gonna happen is after doing this kind of class, you feel that you are more in charge of your own body because you can control the contraction of your muscles and you can stretch it after that. So what you feel is relaxed and tired. You feel like you did a strong exercise, but also you feel relaxed because you controlled your breathing and you have the relaxation in the end. That's something near the yoga class.
Okay. What type of fooding you are suggesting for our viewers?
Well, you can have the normal food that you have. I just would suggest you to avoid a little bit ghee. Like Indian food is awesome, and especially dal makhani, it's too good, but it's too much butter, too much fat. So what I would suggest is all the food that you like, that you already know that is heavy food, try to keep this for one day, and you can call this day your junkie day. So you can have all the sweets, all the chocolates, ice creams, whatever you like on that day. The rest of the 6 days of the week, try to avoid fat food, fried food, and too much butter. You can have calcium from milk. You can have soy if you're vegetarian. You can have chicken if you're non-vegetarian. Lots of vegetables and fruits all over the day. And try to eat around 6 times a day. You're gonna have the 3 main meals. You're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're gonna need to do the first meal, that is the breakfast, needs to be the strongest one. So you can have fruits, and you can have milk, and you can have toast, and you can have a little bit of honey on your milk or on your toast, whatever you like, but avoid too much ghee and too much butter on this. Then after that you can have a fruit as a snack or a fresh juice as a snack. Then you can have like a little bit of almonds, 1 or 2, not more than that, as a snack. You can have light cookies as a snack.
Okay.
Then you're gonna have lunch, then you're gonna have another snack, then you're gonna have a light dinner and a late snack that can be something like 1 juice and 1 slim toast, something like this. Just eat regularly. If you avoid keeping a gap of more than 3 hours without eating, you will not store fat. Because actually what happens is, once you don't eat, your body thinks, okay, she's not eating, so I need to keep some energy.
Okay.
So it keeps the energy to store fat. Because fat, when you break to create energy, is a rich source of energy. You break the fat to create energy, and you break fat to burn fat. So that's why your body starts storing fat. So instead of storing that fat, keep on feeding your body. It will not need to store fat. And you're gonna reduce, and you're gonna feel that you are reducing and slimming. So the key to have a good body is doing workout, eating properly, and sleeping well. So when you have these 3 pillars, your body's here, so you're balanced. If one thing is lacking, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose the balance. So you need these 3 things: proper food, exercise, and rest. The rest is gonna be fine.
Okay, Juliana, thank you so much for
You're
joining
welcome.
us. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ सेलिब्रिटी फिटनेस सेंटर की इंस्ट्रक्टर जूलियाना मारिया। इन्होंने हमें बताया कि कैसे हम बाउंस और पिलाटे एक्सरसाइज करके अपनी ब्रीदिंग पावर को बढ़ा सकते हैं, साथ ही जो हमारी मसल्स हैं उनको किस तरीके से स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं। साथ ही हमें इन्होंने बताया कि किस तरीके की फूडिंग हमें रखनी चाहिए अपनी डेली रूटीन लाइफ में भी, और साथ ही जब हम ये एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होते हैं उस दौरान हमें कैसी फूडिंग रखनी चाहिए। तो ये था व्यूवर्स आज का हमारा एपिसोड, जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि कैसे बाउंस और पिलाटे एक्सरसाइज करके हम अपने आप को फिट एंड फाइन रख सकते हैं। अगले आने वाले एपिसोड में बताऊंगी आपको बहुत कुछ, लेकिन तब तक आप लोग देखते ही रहिए जी भाजी।